Welcome back to the Rose Festival Grand Floral Parade, and here comes the sweepstakes winning band from the Festival of Bands. This is the Centennial High School Band from Gresham, Oregon. I'll tell you, they are a dandy band, and they clean up every year in the awards category. They are nicknamed the Awesome Eagle Show Band. They have won every major Oregon band competition at least once, and they have been the sweepstakes winner in the band competition during the parade for the last 6 parades. An unequaled performance, so enjoy them. They are good. High kickers there. Big hand from the crowd. They like that Centennial band.
We perhaps should explain that that Festival of Bands took place last night at Civic Stadium here in Portland, and there were 8 bands in competition. All of those, some of the best bands that we have in the parade today, they were in competition for their field drills,
Marching
intricate maneuvers,
right.
things of that kind. This band, as you mentioned, took first place
and
last night.
we saw the band already that took second place. That was the Foothill Band.
And of course, we won't know which band is the best band in this parade until after the parade's over, because they're being judged en route. Yes.